Hello everyone, this is Rahim.
And this is Ayaz. We are from CEP Solutions. Today we are going to tell you how to make organic beetroot powder.
The things we require to make organic beetroot powder are organic beetroot,
Knife,
cotton cloth,
grater,
floor strainer,
grinder,
cutting table.
and finally 2 bowls. Okay, let's start the process. For starting the process, we have to take a organic beetroot here and we have to boil about 10 to 15 minutes to peel the upper layer properly. If we boil, it don't lose its color while drying. Let's go for boiling. Let's add this organic beetroot into the boiled water. Let them boil. If we boil, it don't lose its color and energy while in the process. After boiling, take out the water and leave them for getting cool. Now it's okay. You have to go for the process. Just cut the layers. After peeling, we have to use a slicer to slice the chips. After slicing, we have to keep in a cloth like this and dry in a room temperature. Please maintain distance between piece to piece.
Our hands become pinkish color.
Oh, yes, ma'am. Colorful. Now we have to grind this beetroot slices by using grinder. Yeah, you can see now the pink one. I think we have to grind once again for better. By using floor strainer, we have to strain to take out the proper powder one. This ungrinded one, we have to grind once again and repeat the process. Now we have to take out this in a glass jar. You can see the color, the pink one. Now we have to take this into a tight glass jar for better storage.
Let's look into the use of this organic beetroot powder.
What you might not realize, the modest beetroot has a superfood and it contains full of antioxidant, minerals, vitamins and a special substance from its pigment to support your health of our entire body. Proteins and nutrients available in beetroot powder are
proteins, fiber, vitamin C, vitamin B6, folate, magnesium, potassium, manganese and iron. If you store this powder in a glass jar, airtight glass jar, the duration of this powder will increase up to 6 to 9 months. And when it comes to plastic, you cannot store for longer duration. And guys, please say no to plastic for better health and environment.
Okay, the 7 surprising benefits of beetroot powder are: could lower your blood pressure, it boosts your brain power, improve athletic performance, they can fight against inflammation, support your liver health, encourage weight loss, and finally it can help for erectile dysfunction. Good dosage for good health benefits.
1 to 2 tablespoons per day is excellent amount. This powder can be easily added in your food items. Some of the food items where you can add this powder are
Smoothies, muffin, pancake, hummus, soups, salad dressing, yogurt dips, and finally chocolate cake.
guys, if you take too much dosage per day, it's a bit risky. Beetroot contains nitrate in it. It leads to kidney stones. If you had kidney problem, please avoid this powder.
Use biodegradable and eco product to protect environment for our next generation. Restore resource for future. Thanks for watching this. Team CPS.